This is Mario Kart Master, and I'm gonna do shortcuts on Grumble Volcano. So far, I know two. Is the rock hop and the lava glitch. But first, I'm doing the lava glitch. But the good thing about the rock hop, you're able to keep your item. But rock hop, it's easy to just do no stop. When I walk in a spot, this is what I see. Everybody's out and staring at me. I got a ration in my pants and I ain't afraid. Okay, I'm just gonna show it to you because it's not gonna be enough time. The controller's just messed up still. Making YouTube videos are fun, especially when I have nothing to do. I just got 100 on my math test. I'm proud of that. I don't know why, but I like the double jump. Okay, so it's literally you just hit that wall and you just go all the way across and respond over there. Simple. But since I don't want to make it too long, line up with this. And shoot. Oh well, I'm gonna try one more time. But sometimes I'm gonna add music to my videos. I got ration in my pants and I ain't afraid to show it, show it, show it. Because I'm sexy and I know it. I'm on the last city of Atlanta. So something like this. I think you do a signature like things like this. That'd rock if you could just do the rock. Since I do have enough time and I showed you that shortcut, I'm going to show you the lava glitch since I never showed it to you before. So, I usually need one shroom, guys. Probably just want one shroom because as soon as you fall into the lava, you die. Okay, so it's just wanna like drift here. Hit that wall. And see, I was over there and I responded over there. It's pretty useful, but not too useful. Down with it. I'm scared. Oh! That's the scary part about it. You never know. So that's it for this video. And yeah, next time I'm gonna do the Koopa Cave glitch. Okay?